Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me, if you want, you can look into the information that you see on the screen and read out also. Have you prepared for it?
Okay. Yeah, sir. I will prepare a note, sir.
Very good. Please tell me.
Yeah, okay. Today we are discussing the topic is BOB Professional Saving Account. Yeah, basically this account is provided to the only professionals like doctors, CAs, MBAs, engineers, architect, advocates, LLB, LLM. This is the average balance is quarterly average balance is 25,000. Whenever you open this professional account, you will get the free rupee select debit card for the all the features along with 1 year. Additionally, customer want to request, he will provide the additional Visa Platinum debit card. One one free service transaction is through this PSB DSBS service. DSBS means doorstep banking service. Available locations only, not only all locations, only available locations. Then the above transaction is quarterly average balance above 1 lakh. Next, it will be provided the 50 check leaves in a year. Then free NEFT RTGS. Then NEFT RTGS, BOB World Internet, BOB World Branch, all the services are free. Next, free SMS alert first 1 year is free. Then it will be charged. Next, first 1 year Demat AMC for the free. All the including brokerage charges also. Next, exclusive credit BFSL.
Hello.
Hello.
Tell me, Lakshmi Narayana. Lakshmi Narayana.
Hello.
Yeah, Yellam, you are able to hear me. Lakshmi Narayana, I think his internet
Yes,
is
sir. It's available.
Yeah, please
exclusive
speak.
credit card offers also offers from the BFSL. BFSL means BOB Financial Solution Limited. These are the features of the BOB Professional Saving Account.
Very good. Thank you, Mr. Lakshmi Narayana. But I did not hear it properly. Why don't you tell me once again the salient features of this BOB Professional Savings Account? Please present it in a nice way. Please present.
Okay, sir. You want one more, sir?
One more presentation.
Yeah, okay, sir. Actually, we are discussing today topic is the BOB Professional Saving Account. This professional saving account given to the only professionals like doctors, CA, CS, engineers, MBA graduates, architects, advocates. This account balance is quarterly average balance is 25,000. First of all, whenever we open the account, at the time they will give the rupee select debit card. First 1 year it will be without chargeable. Then if you want customer want to require additional Visa Platinum debit card, they will provide without charges. Then they will provide the DSBS service also. DSBS full form is doorstep banking service. This is the only available locations they will provide. That account also quarterly average balance is above 1 lakh for first 1 year. Then they provide the 50 free check leaves in a year. If you want more 50 leaves, they will charge you. Then NEFT RTS through the Bank of BOB World Internet, BOB Ward branch, it will be free service. Next, free SMS alerts are free first 1 year. Then next year it will be chargeable. Next, they will provide the Demat account. Asset management company, first 1 year is free. With broker charges also free. Next, they will provide the exclusive debit credit card offer from BFSL services. BFSL service form is BOB Financial Solution Limited. Yeah, this is the features of the BOB Professional Saving Account, sir.
Super. Good. You told nicely, Lakshmi Narayana. Anything, whenever we speak first time, it may not come out well. So we should try to speak once, twice, thrice, so that we are sure about our conveying the points. And this quality is very much required in an RM, because RM, of course, in daily, what happens every day, you are talking about the same thing. So you will master it very soon. Best,
Thank
best wishes, Lakshmi Narayana. Now,
thank you, sir.
Yellam, I wanted you to prepare on which savings account yesterday.
Family saving account, sir.
Pardon, which family savings. Very good.
Yes,
Please
sir.
talk about.
Yes,
Please
sir.
talk about it.
BOB family saving account open all individuals, sir. Family includes close relatives like spouse, father, mother,
Hmm,
father-in-law, mother-in-law, children's brother, both.
hmm,
As part of the BOB family saving account segment, can benefit from the various privileges
hmm,
offered to family members, including waive of checkbook charges,
hmm,
NEFTO and RTGS charges, free SMS alert,
hmm,
and concession on various banking charges. In this account, issue a credit card facility also.
hmm,
Uh, in family saving account restrictions, only one group allowed for one client ID. In a
hmm,
family saving account, minimum two members, maximum six members are allowed.
hmm,
This account is applicable for new customers as well as existing customers also.
hmm,
Transactions of saving oriented nature are permitted. Commercial
hmm,
transactions are non commercial transactions are non-allowable transactions.
hmm,
Only saving oriented nature is allowed. If
hmm,
non-allowable transactions are noticed, then the bank may close the account with a prior notice,
hmm,
intimation seating reasons thereof. In case of single account of a minor to
hmm,
be operated by him or his, the maximum balance of any day should not be more than the 1 lakh
hmm,
when minor is aged between 10 to 14 years old.
hmm.
Below
Very,
below 14 year, below 10 years is not allowed.
okay. Very good.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is, what is that account? Family savings
Family
account.
saving account. Yes, sir.
Excellent. Now, very good.
Thank you.
Mayuri Ravan, you were preparing for which type of savings account?
Sir, self-help group.
Acha,
BOB saving self-help group account.
okay. Acha, Magila, did I not tell you about Magila also? No.
Mahila.
Prepare nahi kiya, doesn't
Actually,
matter.
My account
no, sir.
also arrange
Magila,
group.
Magila account, if somebody else
I
speak, well, nice. Now,
okay.
please tell me about this one, SHG.
In this self-help group account, it can be open for general and women empowerment, both the cases. In this account, the minimum balance must be 1,000 rupees, and the mode of operation will be jointly. And the other facilities they provide overdraft facility of 3 lakh rupees.
Mhm. Good.
And 30 leaves of check for first financial year will be given for free.
Hmm. Now, incidentally, tell me what is a self-help group?
Self-help group is for group of people combined together, 10 to 20 people combined together to achieve their financial or personal goal, economical or financial goal.
Hmm. But the better answer will be self-help group is a, a group of 10 to 15 women hailing from the same village or nearby villages,
Yes,
and
yes.
they all do different types of jobs. Like there will be one mombatti making lady, another lady goat rearing, another lady mat making. All of them join together, they save money, they
Okay,
open
yes.
a bank account and deposit money in the bank account. The bank, after 6 months, will give them loan, which amount is distributed by the leader to the members. The
Okay.
members use the money and carry out business and earn profits and repay to the self-help group, which in turn repays to the bank. This
Okay.
concept is learned from Bangladesh. The author of this scheme
Muhammad
is
Yunus.
known as Muhammad Yunus, who
Yes,
has
sir.
been
Okay.
given Nobel Prize for this also. Incidentally,
Okay.
Father of
Muhammad Yunus is the Prime Minister
father
in
of self-help
charge
group.
of Bangladesh now, temporary Prime Minister of Bangladesh now. This is a point, just information for you. Self-help
Okay.
group. समझ गया
Okay. So thank
मयूरी?
you. Thank you,
Yeah,
sir. I didn't know that.
yeah. This information will be there if you watch some of my previous class videos or go through that, say, guidely banking material.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Mayuri, that was that much. Very good. So three of you. I'm sorry, today what happened? At 8:30, I was thinking it is 8 o'clock. So I was forcefully asking a boy to come to me to take an interview. And I was with him for a few minutes. Then suddenly what happened? I found there was no power in my plug holes here. So I had to go and get that restored. So that is why in the process I lost about 20 minutes or so. So no problem. In fact, today, now regarding this RM function, what are the qualities required in a person, in an individual? What are the qualities required for you to succeed as a, say, relationship manager? Now, this is a very important question. I would request you to have a group discussion among yourselves, wherein each of you can tell your views. Let others also, you discuss in detail. Yeah. Lakshmi Narayana, Yellam, and Mayuri. You can eat one by one. For example, first Lakshmi,
Okay, sir.
then Yellam,
Okay, sir.
then Mayuri. First, after
Okay,
you are
sir.
speaking, another person will speak. Now come out with your ideas.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah,
can I start?
yeah,
Yeah, relationship manager first having a communication skills, and then what he will doing the which type of product he will have full knowledge. Then he will be convinced to the customer. He without he going to the customer, he definitely pitch the correct product to the correct person. Whenever he learn the full detail of the depth of the product, he will be easily explained. He will pitch the product next. But this type of RM having a good communication skills, and maybe sometimes language barriers is available. But whenever he tell the confident about to the product, the customer easily convinced. Otherwise, he will not pitch the product, and he did not get the even singing the FD also he did not get the from the customer.
that's all. Next, Yellam. Yellam,
Sir.
speak.
Relationship manager, they maintain a strong relationship with the customers, offer a finance advisor and offer a financial advisor, and RMs also contribute to the bank's profitability by helping clients and achieve their goals also,
Hmm,
which is indirectly leads to the bank's revenue growth also.
hmm, hmm,
Uh, RMs understand the client's needs and goals,
hmm,
the risk involved to provide a personalized financial advisor and provide a services to the bank.
hmm. Okay. Now next,
That's it.
Mayuri, can you tell us?
Yes, sir. For relationship manager, person must be good communicator. First thing is that we should not hesitate to communicate to any person or pitch any person. We can easily communicate with them. And the other second thing is we should be a good listener. We should listen to the customer, what his needs are, what his problems are, and we should try to convince the customer and provide our best help, so that we can build a good faith in the customer that I am the person. Then his account will be he does not want to he should not want to worry about his account. Whatever I am saying is for his good faith. That attitude must be developed in the customer in his head. And other is I should take the proper product knowledge. Whichever company I am, I should have a proper product knowledge, so that I can give best suitable product to the customer. And other thing is as a relationship manager, I should be having a optimistic attitude, so that if any customer say no, then I should not discourage myself, and I should not feel demotivated. I should try to the other customers and pitch them. And my nature should be humble, so that the other if customers say no, I should not be disheartened. And I should also have never giving up attitude. That will This kind of skills might help as a relationship manager.
Excellent. Not bad. Good. Very good. Ranjan Sinha. Ranjan Sinha, you are already a manager, no? Ranjan Sinha, you are already a
Sir,
manager.
good evening.
Good evening, sir. You are already a manager.
Yes, sir.
So now, and you were a relationship manager earlier also. So now, can you tell us what qualities, what attributes are required for becoming a successful relationship manager? Not only for deposits, but also for loans.
Sir, I can say that there are many things that we need to look into a person to consider as a good relationship manager, or in particularly not in the deposit, in the MSME as well. But one should be there. One quality is above all, that the positive mindset. That that positive mindset is going to help you to think in a different mode, and honesty, product knowledge is the other trait a good relationship manager should have. Positive attitude, product knowledge.
See, actually, in real interview, they may not allow you this much time that I am allowing you.
Sir,
Here, you are going to present within 1 minute the gist of the answers. So you can present it, say, in a brief manner. At the same time, it must be able to cover all the important points. You started off well with a positive attitude, like that, So you must be able to tell them. Now, here, a list I could get it from our chat GPT.
Can I try once more time?
Yeah, please try. Please try.
Sir, so the basic.
Now, imagine 1 minute. Imagine I am giving you just 2 minutes time. Within this 2 minutes, you have to impress us by telling the points effectively.
So the good relationship manager must have the positive mindset and product knowledge. Whatever the product you are going to sell, that complete knowledge about the product. If you are going for a particular customer, then you should know about the customer as well, what their need, and why you are in their doors. Second, you need to understand your geographical area very well. What kind of product is very popular between the businessman, what kind of deposit is very popular within the residents, that should be in your radar as well. Third, if you are going with by using the reference or something like that, then you have to understand that that reference is not that reference should be helpful for you. If that is not good enough to force or to persuade the customer to onboard on your domain, then don't use your reference. And third and the last, I can say that if if you fail in a first attempt, don't be disheartened. Try to try to persuade the customer, or try to visit the customer on a regular intervals.
More
That
than
can-
more than 3 or 4 times also we must visit to satisfy a customer to come into our fold. Very good. Not bad. You did well. After all, you are manager. I should not comment on you. But आपने
No,
अच्छा
sir.
किया था. No,
No,
आपने
sir.
अच्छा ही किया था. Good. Very nice. So for a change, I will ask our Yellam. Yellam, who has got not very much exposure. He has got only exposure in cooperative bank. Why don't you
Yes,
read
sir.
out this, Yellam? Please read out this. Are you getting on the screen a strong product knowledge? Are you seeing it or you are seeing something else?
Not, sir.
Acha, sorry. See, to succeed, you please read from here.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, please read from the
Succeed
beginning.
as, to succeed as a relationship manager in the Indian banking sector, especially handling a deposits and loans, a candidate needs to exhibit a combination of a technical expertise, interpersonal skills, regulatory knowledge, and a strong customer ethic approach. Before is a
Hello,
detailed breakdown of the essential qualities,
Strong customer
customer centric
Ah,
centric
here,
approach.
no. Yellam, hereafter, you please
Sir,
practice reading English. Your English
okay,
communication ability, there is some gap. So please read lot of English content in your office circulars, etc. And try to
okay,
read loudly so that you can speak properly in the interview. Continue. Below
okay.
is a
Below is a detailed breakdown of the essential qualities and competencies required.
good. Continue.
Strong product knowledge deposits, understanding of saving, current, recurring, and fixed deposit products, ability to explain features such as the interest rates, tenures, penalties, tax implications, that is TDS, and benefits. Loans, deep understanding of
Hmm.
retail
Read.
loans, home personal loans, vehicle loans, MSME, business loans, working capital finance, and term loans.
Hmm.
Knowledge of a loan documentation, CIBIL score importance, EMI structures, interest type, fixed or floating, and credit appraisal process.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Sales.
1 minute. Talking about this, recently I saw a video, YouTube video, where Indian bank, my own bank, has been fined of rupees 3 lakhs. This happened because relating to CIBIL score. It seems there is a loan of 19,000 rupees given to one Mr. X and purported to have been guaranteed by one Mr. Y. Let us say Ramudu. Then the person has not repaid the loan, so the bank called upon Ramudu to repay the loan. So since he was not repaying properly, his name is automatically included in the NPA list. So his name CIBIL score became very low. But in reality, what happened? There are 2-3 Ramudus. This CIBIL score of one Ramudu was brought down, and that person, when he applied for an auto loan from State Bank of India, they said your CIBIL score is low. Then this person moved the consumer court, and in the consumer court, it was told this Ramudu who is applying for auto loan is not the signatory of that. The Ramudu who was signed that is somebody else. So the court said, how can you wrongly tell about another person to CIBIL? You have damaged the reputation of this individual. So you give him 3 lakhs and also costs involved for conducting this case. So how CIBIL score is very relevant and important. And banks, they should try to report not only it is all done automatically now, computer communicates it. We should communicate when the loan is repaid also. That is why now RBI has changed. Hereafter, the reporting has to be done once in 15 days. Earlier, it was once in 30 days. Now, please continue. Number 2.
Sales and business development skills. Capability to identify potential clients and cross-sell banking products. Set and achieve sales targets for deposit mobilization and loan disbursal. Maintain and grow the customer base throughout referrals and upselling. Customer relationship and retention. Build long-term trust and rapport with the clients by understanding their financial
Needs.
financial needs. Provide tailored solution and proactive follow-up for customer satisfaction. Manager high net worth individuals and corporate relationship with professionalism.
Mm.
Credit analysis and risk assessment loans. Ability to read financial statements, assess repayment capacity, and determine eligibility. Understand risk mitigation tools like collateral guarantees and insurance. Ensure a proper documentation, due diligence, and compliance with the bank credit policy. Communication and interpersonal skills. Clear verbal and written communication for conveying a product to features, handling objections, and negotiating deals. Active listening and empathetic communication to build a client trust.
Yeah. Empathetic means what? Empathetic means putting yourself into the shoes of another person. Sympathy means you are going on the road, you find a beggar, you give him some 5 rupee note and then you go away. That is sympathy. Empathy means you put yourself in the place of another person. For example, you are sitting in a bank counter. The normally counter closes at 2 o'clock. Around 2:05 or so, an old man comes and very fast and asking you, sir, I am bus got delayed. I'm just now coming. Please give me 50,000 rupees. My daughter has been admitted in the hospital. I have to pay cash immediately. So please help me. I'm not having any debit card and all. I'm having only checkbook. So please give me cash. So now at that stage, you are supposed to put yourself in the place of that person so that you know how important is that money for him. So that is known as empathy. Empathy means putting yourself into the shoes of another person. Could you follow what I said? Yellam, Arthamainda?
Okay, okay, done, sir.
Very good. Now, please continue. Regulatory. Yeah,
And compliance awareness.
yeah. Continue.
Familiarity with RBI guidelines, KYC, AML norms, and internal bank policies. Ensure ethical product conduct, proper documentation, and a legal compliance in all transactions.
Hmm.
Sir, please can elaborate KML, AML, and KYC.
KYC is uh, KYC is know your customer. AML means anti-money laundering.
Okay.
Anti-money laundering. You people, bank officers, you must be knowing about anti-money laundering. Anti-money laundering means now there are a lot of cases going on in South India, in Tamil Nadu, against Senthil Balaji and all, where they say you are
Converting illegal money into legal money, sir.
correct. Converting illegal money into legal money.
Legal
What is
money.
what is illegal money? Say, supposing you take some
Did
corruption from somebody, that is illegal money. Supposing you are receiving money through some hawalas, that is
Hawala.
that is in a foreign country, they will give a dollar note, half of it, and another half will be sent to you. When you present that another half in the distribution center locally, they will give you the money. So such things you must have seen in movies. So likewise, Avala money, that is unaccounted money, when you want to make it as a real money by routing them through the bank accounts. And say that is known as anti-money laundering. Anti-money laundering is measures taken to prevent money laundering. That is by adopting KYC norms. You know the scheme already. KYC norms means any one of the 6 documents like passport, Aadhaar card, PAN card, then driving license, then Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Card. Normally, candidates used to tell it as Mandrega card, Mandrega card. Then another one, voter's ID. Any one of the documents, of course, PAN card and other document to be given. If the candidate is giving, if the customer is giving PAN Aadhaar card, no need for any address proof and all. But if he gives, say, some other one like say PAN card only, then you have to ask for address proof. Normally, we take, say, previous bank passbook or say your what is that uh, uh, telephone bill or electricity bill
Electricity bill.
recently received. I think some banks do take some lease deed and all that. I'm not sure how far they do it. Ranjan,
Yes, sir.
Ranjan,
Yes,
what
sir.
are do you accept lease deed also for
No, no,
address
sir.
proof?
No,
No.
no, sir. No,
What
only
are the
Aadhaar card.
hmm,
Only Aadhaar card. If the customer don't have the Aadhaar card, then we will accept the driving license.
hmm.
That's it, sir. Driving license and Aadhaar card, voter
But
ID.
what about a person who is coming from Bihar to Chennai and he wants to open an account? What will you do?
Customer can open the no frill account or a small account, but the regular account is not possible in today's scenario, sir.
Oh,
Because
because that.
news accounts are too much active these days, and
Hmm.
uh, uh, that is why KYC guideline has restricted to open.
Introduce KYC accounts and account taken there.
What
Sorry.
Details. Introduce local address taken,
Yeah,
sir.
in case
Introduce
expenses also it's possible,
Aadhaar.
sir. No,
No. This man has come from Bihar. He is not. He is having an Aadhaar card with Bihar address. Now he wants to
Okay.
open an account. What will you do?
Yeah, at the time
Sir,
we will take the communication address, sir, from the customer.
Okay.
Yeah, then it will be opened. Our manager going to the field verification, he will confirm it, then it will be opened.
Acha, acha. That much
Other card
time.
is Bihar, no problem.
Uh,
But communication address, he will be go and check and then confirm it will be opened, sir.
That much time can you spend for one customer? I don't know. In
sir,
Yeah.
insurance, what are you doing, Mayuri?
sir, in insurance, we can take the deed also. Or we can take a letter pad in which party is saying I am living here and taking the electricity bill. But I am talking about my banking experience. Earlier, when I was in bank, so we used to open many saving account from private company salary person. So we take the letter pad of the private company that this person is from Bihar, is working here, and we are putting the company's address into the address
But that
of the
account
saving
should be a
account.
salary account only.
Hmm. That is
Yes,
a
yes.
salary account. That's a salary account.
It will process only saving account, salary account only,
Yeah.
not
No, no.
saving account.
In, by the for the salary account, we can process based on the company's letterhead. But
Letter pad. Yeah.
in normal saving account, I don't think that it is allowed.
But even opening such accounts with companies letterpad also is problem because there are bogus companies. Ore Baba, ye
No,
log,
no.
sometimes they
Yes,
come
sir.
here to cheat the
yes, sir.
others. They open a company, employ people, and they not only cheat the employees, they cheat so many. I mean, they cheat the bank also. They give letterpad with that we open. It's okay, but the risk for the bank is supposed to be less because you are treating it as a um, salary account. No problem will come if you can ensure that large credits are not made in that account. But is there any precaution that computer can take for preventing large credits?
In
Ranjan?
normal account, no, sir. In normal account, there is no possibility until and unless the
No, sir.
manually
Account
monitored
will
data.
be freezed.
True,
Sir, in
account
this
will be.
scenario,
Hmm.
whenever customer get the large amount, the account it will be automatically freezed. We will
Acha?
take the customer from the request letter other pan. Why his amount is credited to his account, which purpose, where it will be came. We will take
Hmm.
a request letter, then it will be unfreeze the account.
Oh, oh. So you are from which bank, Lakshmi?
The Axis Bank, sir.
Axis
We,
Bank. Acha, acha,
we
acha.
can't
Yes, sir.
use that account. No.
See, normally, no, I don't know. There must be a software which will tell this is a salary account, and I think it is a suggestion you can give to bank also. This is a salary account, so the maximum credit that can come into this account is 10 times the salary of the individual. That is 5 lakhs. If 50,000 is salary, maximum 5 lakhs. But even that is a huge amount. From where will he get the money? A normal salaried person, from where will he get more than 2 times his salary? Tell me. As long as I was in the bank, I was not getting any other credit other than, say, the salary. See, sometimes I used to work for others. Even then, the money credited will be very much less than the salary itself. So that is what I used to do. So, so this is about money laundering. This is a very real issue. I don't know. Banks must be having some mechanism to prevent uh, money laundering. But I'm sorry to record, but in my experience, I mean not experience, but based on reports, what I find is such instances are happening only with the knowledge of the banker. If only two employees of a bank decide to do frauds, they can cheat to the sky. one manager, one clerk will do. They can do all the problems. So that's what happened in the case of our Punjab National Bank. What is that man? He went to London also. That 13,000 crore fraud. Na? What is the name of that one? That Gujarat. Anybody from Gujarat? You must be knowing him.
Mehul Choksi, sir. Mehul Choksi.
Correct.
Mayuri.
Exactly. Anyhow, thank you. We will proceed further. Time and Mayuri, why don't you read? Time and portfolio management.
Time and portfolio management. Prioritize tasks and manage multiple clients efficiently. Regularly review the performance of customer accounts, deposit, maturity, loan, EMI payments, etc. Target-oriented and self-motivated. Ability to thrive under pressure and meet assigned target for deposit mobilization, CASA growth, or loan disbursement. Motivated to generate revenue and grow the bank's business footprints. Tax savviness and digital banking awareness. Use of CRM tools, mobile banking platforms, and analytic for client management. Promote digital banking services like UPI, internet, mobile banking, e-statement, etc. Team collaboration and coordination. Work with credit teams, legal departments, operations, and senior managers for smooth processing. Participate in branch level marketing activities and lead generation drives.
Yeah. Now ChatGPT has been kind enough to give it in a summary form also. Ranjan, why don't you read this? Attribute why it matters. Ranjan Sinha,
Sir,
please read.
product knowledge, offer right financial solution, sell skill, drive business growth, customer centric attitude, build long term loyalty and retention, analytical and creative skill, help in loan assessment and risk reduction, regulatory awareness, ensure legal compliance and avoid penalties, communication skill, build trust and convert prospects, tech proficiency, enhance efficiency and promote digital banking, target orientation, achieve organizational goals, portfolio management, improve service quality and client satisfaction.
Good. So this is a very good one. I will copy it in our group. Where is that group? 1 minute. Our BOB. I don't know. Today, one candidate sent me the advertisement of this Bank of Baroda. Re Baba, I saw there are 61 posts they are calling for application and conducting it. So I have posted a video today to cover all the various say designations. So this one is okay. Now, would you like to add some more? Acha, we have discussed only savings bank accounts. Ranjan Sinha, did I request you to prepare as homework about any account, current account,
Yes,
or
sir.
what?
Yes, sir. You give me the homework, but I fail because
No time. But
uh,
tomorrow
by
you do it.
by tomorrow I will complete. I have in my to-do list all these things are written here, but
Please do that. No. I really appreciate you for telling openly that I could not prepare. Very nice. Good. That this itself is a good quality. I appreciate you.
but
Now,
sir, sometime I
yeah.
lie as well.
Yeah. Without this, no, I think I told that example. Maybe you were present or not. I don't know. I was manager of North Usman Road Indian Bank in the year 1983. At that time, I bought one national TV through smuggling. It comes through somebody. And that comes only in the night. That fellow will come only 9 o'clock and come and deliver it. That is all secondary aspect. So at that time, cricket matches were going on. So I wanted to watch cricket match during daytime happening. So I phoned my regional manager and told him, "Sir, I want to watch this cricket match. So I'm going to I request you to give me leave for one day." He said, "What? You want leave for watching cricket match? No, better go to office." No, you should not take leave. After all, I am branch manager. So what I did, I went to the office and then came out after business hours immediately. And I saw the match. So next time, whenever I used to talk to him, I always used to say, I used to take the phone and then tell him, "Sir, I am having fever." Sir, lot of cough, sir. Lot of cough, sir. What, sir? Like that I will do, and I used to cheat myself and himself also. What to do? दुनिया में
That time he
कभी
will
कभी
be believed.
कभी कभी हम लोग झूठ बोलना पड़ता है. अच्छा, now I am giving you a list of questions that were asked to a fresher and he has been selected. So just this will be more interesting for people like Yellam. Yellam, why don't you read this? Please read.
Okay.
Use your read.
Sir, I got selected to Federal Bank as a customer service associate. Thank you so much, sir. In the interview, I was able to answer almost every question, but some questions were tough.
Hmm.
First, you have scored a good grades in your college. Were you the topper? What was the highest score?
Hmm.
Will you be pursuing CA? You are already pursued CA, but could not finish it. Does that make you a quitter?
Hmm.
Why banking job?
Hmm.
What are the problems faced by the bank in the economy?
Hmm.
Your place.
Hmm.
You belong to that place. About
Hmm.
family.
Hmm.
Your father and brother are employed. Then why did you want to get job now?
Hmm.
PCR, provisional coverage ratio.
Hmm.
5 governors.
Hmm.
Governor from your area.
Hmm.
Anand Bose governors party.
Hmm.
ROE,
Hmm.
NIM,
Hmm.
net interest margin. 5 relevant banking news. Are
Hmm.
you ready to relocate?
Hmm.
Repo rate and reverse repo rate.
Hmm.
How does reverse repo and repo affect the economy?
Hmm.
How is it controlled?
Hmm.
Capital adequacy ratio.
Hmm.
CAR of our bank.
Hmm. That's all.
Questions
Questions
asked
asked
to
to
the selected.
selected candidate. Yeah.
Yes.
Now, who can answer me this question number 11? I know most of us must be blinking. 5 governors. Who can answer me? Governors of 5 states. You will not be asked this question. Don't worry. Just for fun. Please tell me. 5 governors. Nobody can answer. Doesn't matter. Ranjan Sinha, can you answer this? Anand Bose is governor of, he is from which party? No idea.
Sir,
Doesn't matter.
sorry, sir. I don't know
No,
exactly.
no
Yeah.
problem. Now, who can answer me this question? Though you are all going for deposit mobilization. Now, what is this ROE? ROE means what?
Return on equity, sir.
Return on equity, sir.
Good. So, how will you explain return on equity? How will you explain return on equity? Simply told, what is the equity amount, that is equity capital of the company, and what is the profit made, net profit made. Compare it with that percentage wise, that is into 100. That is net profit made divided by the equity capital into 100 will give you return on equity. Then what is the return on equity of our bank? Bank of Baroda? Anybody remembers? I think you would not be remembering. Return on equity of our bank is this one. Return on equity of our bank is 16.96. 16.96%. It's a good one. It's a good one. Compare it with other banks, For example, what is this bank? Central Bank. It is only 12.48. Then UCO Bank, return on asset only I have written. It is 0.77. That is all very low. In fact, you look at their deposit itself, it is very low. 2.93 lakh crore, 2.15 lakh crore and all. So that is return on assets, return on equity, just like that. And I think I have given you this material consisting of questions. Here, the first few pages will tell you general knowledge about Reserve Bank and then subsidiaries and all. You can go through that later on. Now, I was asking LM to read this one. LM. Where
Yes.
are we? Yeah. What is NIM? Net interest margin. Can you explain?
Net interest margin. Net interest margin is called.
See, if you are a fresher, they will ask you to expand.
Oh.
I mean, tell what is NIM. You will say net interest margin. Oh, very good, nice. We'll go for the next question. But you are an experienced person. You must be able to tell me what is net interest margin. Lakshmi Narayana, can you try?
Net interest income divided by total assets, sir.
No.
I think.
No.
Sorry.
See, average
Maybe
of
this is
interest paid by us on our deposits and borrowings. This will be subtracted from the say average interest earnings made by us on advances. Do you follow? See what is
Yes.
happening in bank. Bank is receiving deposits, paying interest
sir,
to the
please once repeat,
depositors.
sir.
Yes, please. You want to tell?
Sir, yeah, please repeat, sir. Please repeat once.
You
The
want me to
formula?
repeat? Yeah, formula
Yes, sir.
is average interest on advances and loans and advances earned by us, average percentage. Supposing we have given 2.96 lakh crore, and how much is the interest earned by us? And so you will know what is the percentage of earning made by you. Less average interest on deposits paid by us. That will be net interest margin. Net interest margin, again, it will be high for some good banks. It will be low for some other banks which are not banks which rely, a bank like IDBI, normally, I think their net interest margin may be high because, they have 48% of deposits as CASA deposit. Whereas many other banks, they have less of CASA. So for them, the NIM will be less. Here, this is Bank of Baroda 3.02. Then Bank of Baroda 3.02. This is 3.40. Which bank? Central Bank. Okay. UCO Bank it's not there because they have not given all details properly. Then net interest margin for this is not there. This is Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank. And these are also only ROA is there. Say some banks have got only 12.82 and 13.97 like that. So very good. So this is what I would like to tell you about this. Now, you want to ask question on any of the Any doubt on any of the questions that have been given now? Here, I showed you, whatever I have showed you, just as net interest margin and that like way. And in fact, there is one interesting question hidden in this that's not easy to answer, but what are the problems faced by banks in the economy? Forget about in the economy. What are the problems faced by the banks nowadays? Supposing this question can be asked for retail liabilities and advances also. So you can try to tell whatever points you get in your mind. It need not be a full answer. Please tell Lakshmi Narayana. Lakshmi Narayana or Mayuri, you want to tell?
Sir, I guess nowadays the online frauds are taking place too much.
Good. It's a good answer. The
So customers,
cyber
yeah,
crimes are
Changing the
increasing,
business model, sir.
changing the business model. That means I
Regulatory
don't.
complaints.
Acha, acha. Following that is also a
Yes, sir.
very big problem banks
Next
are
to
facing. I know recently RBI what they did, they said gold loan you cannot renew, but you have to adjust it fully. And the next day only you should give. So that, people are finding it extremely difficult. They have to go to the money lender to borrow the money. And so Tamil Nadu government has written a letter to RBI requesting RBI to change the rule. Ranjan Sinha, do you have gold loan in your branch?
Yes, sir. We have.
How do you manage, Baba? It's
Yeah, sir. It's really
huh?
very challenging,
It
and
is challenging. In
yeah,
fact,
it's very.
I feel like setting a bank within bank. Now this will result in what? There will be a rich staff. He will give money temporarily and then take some commission out of that. It may take you to that level also. I don't know, but
Sir, I can't answer this question in open forum, but
I
it's
know, I know, I know, I know, I know.
but it's a
The,
challenge.
it's a challenge. I know it's a really a tough one. You cannot answer it here. I don't. Different banks do different ways of. You know why it was advantage for the middleman. Sorry, middle income person. He is pledging with you for 3,000, and after 1 year the value has already risen. So you can give up to 5,000 to me on that. So you can adjust it out of that. But then I don't know. The government has brought this guideline. This is one. Another problem which banks face is that NPA provision. These regional rural banks, they do a lot of humbug work. They always renew the loan and take another signature and give him some 5,000, 10,000 rupees more as loan, or 50,000 loan which is required for adjusting the interest. And then they say it is not NPA. So that is also another strategy that is happening. What are the problems faced by the economy? Yeah, another problem. One is cyber crime. Two, this NPA
regulatory
is
complaints.
regulatory compliance. And another thing is following of
NPA.
NPA, recovery of NPA
NPA.
is a real problem. Is a man who has been very sincere suddenly becomes bad after some time. I don't know, for various reasons, genuine business reasons also. Good. Then you can, I think we can discuss about it more tomorrow when we meet. Maybe this type of general questions are there for everybody. What is provision coverage ratio? See, one reason why many of us are not familiar with this is all these things are done not at our branch level, but at the head office level. Provision coverage ratio, a bank manager need not know, because theoretically you may know. Provision coverage ratio means out of the total NPAs, how much bank has already provided. Because we have already seen the other day, um, uh, say interest income recognition norms according to which we have to provide for NPAs. So under that, how much have we provided? Some banks have provided up to 93%. Some banks have provided up to 98%. A bank which has provided fully is said to be more strong so that they can manage the future problems. Very good. So anybody
Minimum
else?
PCR ratio is 70% or more, sir.
Acha, is that
Ah,
I don't know. Minimum 70%.
yes, sir.
Oh, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Thanks for telling this. Very good. You are in District Cooperative Bank, na?
Yes, sir.
Cooperative banks, yeah. And in our country so far, many of the insolvencies are only cooperative banks, not.
Yes, sir.
They have never allowed normal banks to go into liquidation. The
Yes, sir.
latest one is Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank, na? Maharashtra
Yes.
Cooperative Bank, something like that. Anyhow, best wishes. Any points you would like to tell, please? Otherwise, yeah, tomorrow we will take up discussion about, say, the current account, um, types of current account, and we will also take discussion on how are we going to canvas fixed deposits and recurring deposits from the angle of Bank of Baroda. That we will do that, and then later on we should move on to other aspects of advances. Um, and for that, Ranjan Sinha, most important thing is you are going through one more link I have given you for credit officers. In that, you go through the credit officers interview questions. Relating to that, possibly we may get some questions. So please go through that. And I wanted you to go through MSME of your bank. Ranjan Sinha.
Sir, I'm all ears. MSME means product. I have to need
You
go
go
through the
through
product.
you go through whatever loans, MSME loans you are entertaining. What are the conditions you are asking MSMEs to follow before giving loan? That you have to prepare it yourself. So that, of course, you go through Federal Bank of Baroda's website also. If you can learn something from that, there is nothing like that. Because, there are so many institutions involved, SIDB, so then Udyam portal or something like that. So many things are there. So you must be able to talk about them confidently. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes. We'll meet again. We'll
Sir,
meet again tomorrow,
sir,
8:30.
sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Sorry, today
sir,
I had to come
please.
late because of power crisis. Yeah, tell me.
Okay. Sir, please provide gold loan updated cycle. I don't know exactly
Acha.
why
Gold
because
loan. Recent
I
changes in
yes,
gold
sir.
loan. Yeah, I will.
Yes, sir.
I think it must be available in our CTDI magazine. I have given you
It,
magazine known as CTDI and
okay.
Banking Updater. In those two magazines, you please go through from April, March, and other thing. Tomorrow we will study that. That will give us some idea. We will just read like a magazine, go through all the pages. Any interesting topic is there, we will read that. Okay? From the angle of deposit, from the angle of loans also. Mr. Ranjan, you must do that also. CTDI magazine.
Yes, sir. I will do.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. And you are the only boy who is coming among scale 3 people. I think there are 3 or 4 more scale 3 people who are not at all coming. Doesn't. Best wishes. Thanks.
Sir,
Yeah, tell
Uh,
me.
sir, there is a one request from my side that the program should be more, if possible, and other
On.
people will allow. The program should focus on MSME as well.
Yeah.
Bec-
We will do that. We will do that. Though, yeah, I will. These people who are going for deposit mobilization, if they know about MSME, what they are doing, what are the loans they are getting, and all, it's good. But um, they may not be directly making use of it. In fact, candidates, I was telling you about, sorry, not sorry. I should not call you candidate. Sorry, members. See, I was telling you about probe 42. All of you write down in your notebook. Probe 42. Another one is screener.in. I think I will write it here. I am not remembering the name properly because I am not using it frequently. Screener.in.
Yes, screener is it's a good means right, sir. You
Yeah.
are telling the right website.
Yeah, from where we can know about the borrower or the companies. So screener.in is one very important. So I request you to go through that, find out what it is. Though you are going for liabilities, doesn't matter. Please see that also and see what is Prop 42 telling also. Thank you so much. We'll meet. Yeah, we will discuss more of MSME also. Don't worry. I will bring some material, whatever I have with me. We will read that first. And most important for you people, they cross you by asking, what is MSME? What is the contribution of MSME to our economy, to our export, to our employment opportunities, like that? And which MSMEs are you familiar? Say service industry or manufacturing industry. Manufacture of which commodity industry have you advanced? Above all, they will ask, what is the maximum limit you have given? 10 crores, 20 crores? Like that, they will ask for fun or reality, I don't know. But then you should impress them about your canvassing ability. That will do. We will meet tomorrow at 8:30. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Good night.
Good night.